creativity requires boundaries, and I've got this boundary right now of the sun that's just about to go down. So my challenge is to create this little video newsletter before the sun goes down. Challenge accepted. I'm here in Atlanta, Georgia. I'm in Central Olympic Centennial Park right now after having done some presentations at the Human Resources in the Age of AI conference hosted by the Opal Group. And it was a really wonderful experience to do that, to offer an opening keynote and then facilitate a lunchtime session today, and then to close the whole event with some reflections. So really grateful for the opportunity, the experience. And for this week, I'll share that one of the things that I shared in these presentations was the importance of being present. And what is it that protects our presence? You know, our ability to think clearly, to listen fully, and to really just notice what's right in front of us. And I truly believe that it's small moments of connection and just checking in with yourself and creating a little bit of space and time to turn off all the inputs we're getting so that you can receive your own insights. So an invitation I'll offer this week is to just see if you can actually carve out some focus time, which came up in the conference that people have this on their calendar, but they never actually get it respected. Well, I'll invite you to find 15 minutes this week to just sit with your thoughts and a pen and paper, no devices, and see what comes up, because you might be pleasantly surprised that it's useful. And by useful, it doesn't necessarily mean it's going to get you your dream job or dream career, but it might be useful in terms of you learning something more about yourself and your emotions. And yeah, just like I think there is so much secret in the silence, so many secrets in the silence. So I invite you to practice presence as you move into this week. And then the other thing I want to share is that Richard hosted me as a guest on his podcast while I was in Alberta. And it's a very sincere and deep conversation that I'm really proud of having had with him. And so I invite you to click the link that I'll put nearby to check out Richard's Plan to Endure podcast with me, Tony Estevez. And with that, at the setting sun here in Atlanta, Georgia, it's time for me to say bye for now. Thanks for tuning in. And in case I don't get to see you again in this lifetime in the flesh and blood, because I likely won't see every single person who views this video, I hope you have an excellent life. Take care.